mean, it is trees that got topped. Look at that. It's just, it's haywire. I'm removing that thing. We're gonna start removing. It's almost time actually to climb, because I am going to take that pine out of there because they've got this hedge behind it and another beautiful tree. So this is going. I want to work from this side over, so we stay in we got a couple removals here. There's no point in keeping that. It's just, there's just no point. It's gonna, yeah. See those? They're nothing. They're light stealers. And we're gonna prune some here, and we're almost gonna be right through to the back side. It's gonna be beautiful. See this little juvenile fir right here, friends? See these? These are all, these are our love right now. This is what we want, these little guys, because they're creating privacy. All this is. This back line is complete privacy. I thought about taking out one there, but I'm not going to. It's too low. It's all good foliage, so we're leaving it. Everything. These are staying. This will go. This guy will go. You see, because he's got no, see, here's the difference. This tree here has got no foliage on it until the very crown, right in the light zone. You see what I'm saying, friends? You see? So you could see where they've been topped. So that's coming out. It's coming out right now. And I'll probably get rid of some of these. See, there's a little hemlock. Almost time to climb. What we're gonna do is we're gonna climb up one and we're gonna hang a rope and rig those couple out.
Tip rig them?
Yep.
Right on.
Because they're leaning too hard, boy.
Effing that out.
Yeah. The pines, we could go up and just shinny up the pine until the school marm. See this one?
Get rid of that one pine?
We are.
That skinnier one to the right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's gotta go.
I mean, it's got a hedge behind it, so it's not doing anything.
Yeah.
And then we'll climb these main stems. We'll get this today, buddy. But I'm leaving all this. Don't cut any of this.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, so here's our next. We're giving the Echo a little run. Here's our next deal. We got the front. It just turned out fabulous, friends.
Killer.
Hey? Did you go down and have a look?
I haven't yet.
It just looks deadly. I'm glad we left a couple limbs. And I'm just gingerly poking up the cedars here with my picks, which is driving the arborists mad, and the tree surgeons are all mad at Billy Ray now because he should be... He's gonna kill the tree. Buckin's gonna kill the tree. Look at this, freaking, look at this. I got a carabiner on the end of this bloody thing. I don't even...
Make sure it's... Hide that.
Well...
Mine, because it always flips itself backwards and it's such a pain.
Yeah, I don't even need it, really.
I mean, thought you brought your 2-in-1.
I did, but
That's the strap I bought.
I'm just freaking doing this. Cedar, you gotta watch Cedar bark.
Yeah.
The first time Skinny Kid decided he was gonna have a little solo climb in the cedar, he went for a little scare. Remember that, Skinny Kid? You're watching, aren't you? Skinny Kid. Okay, you see this? Yeah, see, this is gonna disappear. Yeah, see, there we go. Good. Now, if I'm not mistaken, that could probably go. That's good.
I have one behind it. But
Okay. See that? Look at that light up. You see that light up, friends? I cut that limb off and boom, light. So I talk about the customer's money. Put your dollars, put their hard-earned money at the proper spot. I talk about that a lot because that's what it is. Tree work ain't cheap. So give them the proper money spent, right? If that makes sense. I think it does. Right to the window. Grab that?
yeah, I got that.
Good. See, look at. So we're above their house. That's why there's still foliage there. You cannot see their home. This is what we want. This will change a little bit, but not much. This is excellent. Look at that beautiful buffer there, friends. I'm getting excited about this. Let's put this back here. Oh, I see what I did. I took my carabiner out of there, so I'll drop it in here. There. Handy, handy dandy. See? It's lovely, friends. This is going. I'm taking some of this. Not a ton, just a bit. There's two trees side by side. Thick this is. So now what I do is I take a look. So this is good. I'm digging this down in there. Okay, good. Yeah, see. Okay, friends. So basically now I just came up. I created our window in the two cedars. There's our back 40, our homes. There's their home. That fur's coming out, so you can imagine what that and that's going to do for our light shot.
A whole whack.
Yeah, a ton. And there's nothing on the below. So this foliage down here is our fence and our privacy, okay? We're probably going to climb this fir, although we might not need to. So I may just crack these bit of deadwood out of here with some of these limbs I've got. So all I'm doing is doing an old school taut line hitch, which is 2 on the bottom, 1, 2, bring your thumb up and around and over top like that, and then another one, and another one. Work your knot down, keeping your knot straight. You do a little bit of a hip thrust, pull up on the tail and tighten it. Then you're setting your knot, you see? Figure 8 it and you're in. Don't undo your strap yet. Put a little pressure on it and set it, friends. You see? Like this, like that, okay? Now, we grab our rigging rope, which Ganges was so kind to throw on for us in a sheets bend. There goes that. All I'm gonna do, because I'm going after that, friends. You see?
You gotta do a video on the sheet bend, because that is the most useful knot for a ground bend.
Yes, indeed it is. So what I'm gonna do, friends, is straight up rigging off a natural crotch. Okay? See this? These little limbs, this limb, believe it or not, this little dead limb will keep this limb here going straight out over to there. And we're gonna tip rig this. I don't need to tip rig that. I can cut that straight off and down in there. Then I'll go over there, throw a rope in there, and we're off to the races. I might even throw this rope over there now. Matter of fact, actually I probably will. 1, 2, 3, 4, and just, there it is. It'll stay there. It's good enough for me, you see? Now I'm out of here. Okay, get rid of this. Take a look around before you take off, because you're not coming back here. You see, look at these limbs. You're tied in, you got your taut line hitch. You got some hangers here. Here's some hangers, which will help me get these two. You see, you get that with that. Not bad. Okay, so you know what? I'm leaving this. It's too nice of a limb. It just goes across in there. That's coming out, that foliage. So this is fine. You're never getting it there anyways. The freaking house is back there. I'm getting rid of this. There. That's what I'm talking about. Right like that.
Good.
Huh?
Even what you did to those cedars did a big difference.
Oh, it's crazy, isn't it, son?
Yeah. We won't have too much in that back corner other than getting out our juice out of there.
Look up! put this over here and do this. Okay, boy. Go. I think at this stage we will do something a little different. Let's see if this works. Indeed it does. Okay, so I'm not worried about this. It's just a stem now, so I can literally okay, I might need you to pull me. Okay, here we are. We're up where we need to be. There's our running bow line. We're tied up. This is the tree that's right in our zone, and we're taking it out. We got all that foliage there we're not worried about. This will help in the morning sun come through there, you see, especially in the summer. So now, once I get down far enough, I can get on my taut line and do my thing. Good. So now I can just hang and say, see you around. Oh, you guys,
Up there.
where are you at?
I could even wrap that arbutus, but see how it is?
Oh yeah, yeah, that'll be good.
That'll be good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it right off the stem.
Yeah.
I'd like to try and creep it out here, actually. Let's see if,
But there's that chair.
let's see if we could get it out there.
But that thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
let's see what happens.
Okay.
Then we cut it off. So I'm gonna try and roll this tree right out there. It may not go, but I think it might. Come see, come saw. No judgment. Okay, we're cut up. Give her a little slack, boy. Slack it out. That's it. Hold on to it. Let her go. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, beautiful. Nice job. Let her go. That was gorgeous, buddy. Nice job. You see how you gotta kind of grab the rope. That was beautiful, bud. Nice job, kid. We were concerned about that. That's how that's done.
All right. Sounds good.
We're all excited. All right, we're going up the fur here now. This is starting to give us some nice light.
How's that look with that?
And these will get done.
How's it look with that arbutus out of there?
Oh, deadly. Very nice. Yeah, it's just changing the whole grove, son. I do not like the look of a stripped tree. I just don't. So be careful when you pull your strap in and you go to throw your line, because you can smack yourself or dig a hole in your chest, and it ain't fun. It hurts, actually. Ganges is over there. I'm liking the 2 strap again, son. There's another one below it. Let's get rid of it. Okay, so now we take this off, we join up here, over top, back around, and we kick in here. Now they are separate units. I love it, friends. Buchan's loving this. I'm no joke. I remember getting all frustrated before because you know what I had? I had both of them out here on my D-rings, and I was screwed on. I was all screwed up. I didn't like it. Okay, I'll show you what I do sometimes when I get in a scenario like this. I go around here, I grab this piece of deadwood, you see, and just grab one that you can, see this? See how ugly that deadwood is? Just give it a break. Look at that. See, look at how clean that looks now. See that, friends? Look at, even this. There. It just, we can see that from the house, friends. See? I like it. Just separate yourself, friends. Separate yourself. It's good. There. This is going. And so is that. Beautiful water. Isn't that nice, friends? See, this is where you gotta be. Yeah, there. See?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut some of these.
Double strap. Boom. He's in. He's loving life. I don't like this carabiner. I don't know why. It's not steel, so I don't really like it. It's just there for quick change. See? Now back around. I'd be safer going like this, to be honest with you. Like this. In my mind. Boom. See this? Shaklank. Right like that. I don't quite frankly care. What can it do? It can't do nothing. Can it do anything like, no, it can't. You see? See, look at that. I like it a lot, actually. Oh yeah, look at friends. I know it's stupid, but it can't go anywhere, is my point. I'm just doing a quick climb, cleansing as I go. See, look at how nice this is looking, friends. It is, it's looking real nice. This school marm's coming out of here, it's haywire. There we go. How you doing, kid?
Pretty good. I think I'm done this fine. I'm gonna tie it in and go put a rope on that.
Yeah, and just,
And get
yeah,
out of here, yeah.
please.
Yeah, no problem.
And then we'll go over to that fir, big fir. We may have to rig a few down off of that. We'll see what it looks like when we're out of there.
Which fur?
The one behind you. Because that top of that thing's gonna end up right here. See? So I'll hang it high. Now, bring this down here like this, watch.
I grab the rope.
I got this here, let it go, son.
I got a hand on the rope if you need to let it go.
I see, I got this thing now. So now this comes in here as I hold the rope. This is ground groundwork 101. I gotta keep on it or that butt will land on the fence, friends. You see, you can't just let it go. I'm using the rope and the limb. There, I'm on the ground. Now I go, I grab this, I kick this thing down. Okay, I got it. We're down and out. Send the rope up, get the limb straightened away. The climber's already going, setting up himself. You're away, son, grab your own rope. I'm getting rid of this limb. Yeah, I'm ready. See, that was perfect. See, I'm ready. Boom. Hang it. Watch it move. Boom. Oh, what are we hung on? That's it. Good. Okay. Yeah, hang on, I'll just... Okay, I've got it, son. So the reason I got it is because I need to do what I want with it. He doesn't know unless I say slack this and start screaming at him. So I can just grab this, pull, let the rope go. Pull, let the rope go. Pull, pull. Now I'm out. How you doing?
Good, I'm just gonna drop one with the handsaw here.
Okay, can I go take a look?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll go take a look, see how it's looking. And I might as well, while I'm going out that way, go like this, because Bruce will appreciate it. See? Walk across this stuff. We get this out here for old Mr. Bruce, you see, friends? These big dirty limbs. And there they are. Oh yeah, he's just a wild man, bucking Billy Ray. So this is a scenario where we have to go up, keep these the same size. This is actually coming out. This tree, there's no reason for this tree to be here. It is a complete storm of nothingness. So it's coming out. Good. What? Yeah.
Thing right here, so I
You just you got it on an angle. That's the money shot right there. Good shot. Now it'll heal. You get it? Yay! That's pretty deadly. I might just grab one or two more and that's it. And then we got that pine. And actually, I don't...
We'll see how it looks when we get down.
Yeah, I don't know how much the gains are gonna be there. There's the house right there, son. Yeah, I don't want that there no more. Coming down. See if we can get it to roll down into that hole. I like it. Yeah, see? That's very good. Look how tight that keeps you. I like this little centerpiece here. I'm just telling you right now, I do. Right like that. Dig it. Bruce has got a horrible mess to clean up.
That's terrible.
Okay, friends, so this is the end of the video. I might not even get it, but we're doing 2 videos, one iPhone video and one GoPro video, and we're done here. There might be a climber or 2 come back. Not sure. It's dark now. We finished it. What's the pup's name? Hi, pup. Hi, pups. Hi. That's right. Oh, look at lovely. Look at, here we go. Look at that, friends. Hey, it turned out wicked, like just wicked. Hey, look at that. That's the money shot right there. That's the light shot right through there. She says the sun goes right through there. It's gonna blast in these windows. Friends, thanks for watching our videos. It was I'll tell you right now, I was beaking off about that freaking 1085 again, that Weaver belt. Deadly. I climbed all day in here. Oh, bucking. Oh yeah. And it's comfy as hell. Like comfortable.
That's the longest you spent in the trees for
I know.
quite a while.
I haven't been up climbing like that for a long time, and that was, I didn't feel it. I didn't feel it. But a lot of that is the suspenders.
It looks pretty graceful.
Yeah, it's not bad, eh, boy? Anyway, friends, thanks for watching our videos. Be kind to one another. Christmas is coming up. We'll talk to you soon. I'm glad we got this climb in before Christmas. Over and out. Be kind.